Hey everyone, I'm Danish and we are going to fix today iPad 12.9. The problem was this iPad. The customer said it's working for a minute after having switched off, and we will check already. When we keep on the chart, it's going to show the battery low problem, and within a few seconds coming on, the iPad is coming activated, and then we will see the battery is already have power. So most of the chances in these cases, there is a problem in the battery. So we have to open this iPad now, and we will let confirm what's the exactly matter with this iPad. We will solve this problem. Yeah, as you can see, it's a 60% charge right now. So we have to fix this status. So now I was going to open this iPad. So I'm using the heat temperature is 90, and I'm using the side of the metal is on the heater that side, because if I use the LCD size on upside, so there is a backlight problem, and make sure it's not any other problem. So I'm using this tool. There is a blade, an eraser blade, and with protection you can use very nicely gentle to the iPad and bit of alcohol. of iPad is we fixed the new battery now. Now we are going to check the charging. Is it working well? If everything is going well, so we are going to fix back for a customer. It's almost done. Now we have to check, make sure everything's going to work well. Then we can go for a fixing.
Perfect.
So we fixed our iPad. It's working well now. Yeah, it's ready for fixing as well. So you can see the fixing was perfect. There is no any issue. We can check the LCD, we can check the battery is working, everything is going well. So we can return to the customer now. It's ready for delivery.